Malaysia's cabinet has decided to establish a royal commission of inquiry to study the issues related to the sovereignty of islets Pedra Branca, Middle Rocks and South Ledge. In a statement, Chief Secretary to the government, Muhammad Zuki Ali, said this will be carried out in accordance to the 1950 Investigation Commission Act and will be presented to Malaysia's king. CNA's Afifah Ariffin tells us more from Kuala Lumpur.
The territorial dispute over Pedra Branca, Middle Rocks and South Ledge is a long-standing bilateral issue between neighbours Singapore and Malaysia. The territories are located on the main route for merchant ships through the Straits of Malacca and the South China Sea. Now, Malaysia has decided to form a Royal Commission of Inquiry, or RCI, to look into issues related to the sovereignty of these areas.
Berdasarkan perbincangan dalam Jemaah Menteri, ia adalah satu perkara yang disifatkan penting dan mustahak, antara lain kerana ia melibatkan isu sempadan yang menyentuh kedaulatan Raja-Raja Melayu.
The statement by the Chief Secretary to the government, Muhammad Zuki Ali, added that the members of the commission will be experts with vast experience in judicial and legal affairs and public administration to avoid any issues involving conflicts of interest with related parties. In 2008, the International Court of Justice ruled that Pedra Branca belongs to Singapore and Middle Rocks belongs to Malaysia. And the sovereignty over South Ledge belongs to the state in the territorial waters of which it is located. Almost a decade later, Malaysia filed a review application over the ruling. The application was then withdrawn by the Pakatan Harapan government shortly after it took over Putrajaya in May 2018. In November 2021, following the withdrawal, Malaysia formed a task force to review the action and legal issues surrounding the disputed territories. At the 10th Singapore-Malaysia Leaders Retreat in October last year, Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim said both sides had discussed this issue over the year and that the Attorney Generals of both countries should conduct discussions to find a win-win solution. The joint statement from the retreat added that both sides were also looking forward to convening the first joint meeting overseeing the ICJ's judgment on Pedra Branca, Middle Rocks and South Ledge. Afifah Ariffin, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.